Bro, it's the boiled one. It's got a...
He's right there.
Oh, I see him.
He chopped as hell.
Eric, do not open that shit. Eric!
He's not even here.
He left. Stealthy. Is that the front door? Y'all invested in the wrong room. Answer the phone, Cody.
Look, he just came out the door. Who's the challenge?
He left.
He doesn't know He's right here.
Where? Where would he go? Where'd he go? He went down to the basement? Alright, go holla at a player! Go holla at a player! Yo, that's so loud! Why are you closing? I got an accident!
Let me holla at you, bro.